Best AI tools for note-taking. Taking notes in 2026 isn't just about writing things down anymore. It's about capturing ideas quickly, organizing information automatically, and actually being able to find things later. AI has completely changed how we take notes, from meetings and study sessions to content planning and daily thoughts. In this video, I will walk you through some of the best AI tools for note-taking in 2026 and how people really use them, and which one might fit your workflow the best. If we talk about what a good AI note-taking tool is, it always comes down to three things. First is that it should let you write your ideas quickly without friction. Second, it should also help you organize or clean up your messy notes. And third, it should help you understand and reuse your notes later, not just store them. The tools I'm about to show you do exactly that. On the screen, we can see Notion. And Notion is one of the most flexible note-taking tools available right now. You can create pages for daily notes, study topics, meeting summaries, or content ideas all in one place. Where Notion really shines is how it helps us clean up our thoughts. Right here is the little AI icon, and we're going to click on it. This is basically the Notion AI. You can also see it on the main dashboard. Right here, you can simply click on it, and this is going to take you to a chat box. Here, you can type in any prompt that you like. You can even transport a meeting file for it to summarize it for you and store it in your notes. This is an easy prompt to make us a table for my to-do list with checkboxes and priority and deadline mentioned. Let's give it a try and generate this. AI is going to give us suggestions and start crafting on the prompt that we just mentioned. And just with a single AI prompt, Notion can turn that into what actually makes sense and what is ready to use. It's not doing all of your work, but this is going to give you a scratch or a push start where you can start editing and refining your page, notes, your tables, or even your documents. Notion provides us with a premium version, but the free version works as good and comes with a lot of tools. And just like that, we can see that it created, let's go to projects. Okay, this created a to-do list for us, just like that. You can keep adding new tasks, you can keep removing them, you can add your deadline, like we can add it for Wednesday, we can keep adding for Wednesday, just like that. You can keep editing and refining the structure that the AI has already given to you. This is especially useful if you like structure but still want flexibility in how you think and write. Now let's move on to Google Docs. Google Docs is very simple and it looks very simple, but it's surprisingly powerful for note-taking. You can paste long articles, lecture notes, or brainstorming ideas and then use built-in AI assistants to summarize, rewrite, or simplify the entire content. Another tool worth showing is Reflect. Reflect is especially good if you like the idea of connecting your thoughts over time. It creates daily notes and backs them with AI to summarize and link your ideas as you write. Just like that, in our daily notes, you can summarize them, keep them organized, and it's going to store it in the application itself. So here, simply when you start writing, just like that, you can select the note or even the three dots, right? So in this daily note, when we are going to write something, simply like tasks, once you write in a text or anything, maybe a paragraph, you can see AI suggestions and you can type in any prompt that you like, just like this. It's going to write us. And just like that, it created checkboxes for us for our daily tasks. You can replace these task names by whatever task you want, like write a new script. And you can also keep checking them once the task is completed. One important and very reliable feature is that you can also speak or record your voice notes, just like that. You can click on a new note, and right here, it's going to Reflect is the most closest to Obsidian. So if you are using Obsidian but you don't want to join the plugins of the AI, you can switch to Reflect because it also offers a graph view where you can see all the connected backlinks. This is going to store all your notes as well. It's going to provide you with daily notes. It's also providing us AI that is a built-in function in this application. What's nice here is how it links notes to each other automatically, so your ideas don't stay isolated. And you can clearly see a graph view of all your notes connected. You can simply click on them and it's going to take you to the specific note. Next up, we are going to talk about Mem. Mem is designed for people who don't want to organize anything manually. Right here, when you log into your account, you can simply import your notes from different applications as well, even from Obsidian. So if you are familiar with Obsidian and you like writing down your notes in Obsidian, you can simply just drag and drop them in here, and this is going to provide you with organized notes very easily. You can also transport your notes from other apps simply by dragging and dropping those notes in Mem. We're going to click on create a note. You can start writing here. This is very similar to Google Docs. This also allows you to drop voice recordings and then transcript them with AI, just like that. And we're going to click on done. This is also going to help you record your audio visuals and you can store them right here. Okay, we didn't speak anything in our voice message, so that is going to show no transcript. But if you are recording an audio lecture, or if you're working for school or a meeting recording, you can simply just drop in your audio file here and it is going to give you a summary or a transcript or even key points. Anything you want to locate, you can ask the AI. On the right of the screen, you can see that there is this text box, and right here, this is going to help you write. And so let's say that we want to write about time management. Write me a paragraph. We're simply going to click enter, and this is going to provide us with our prompt that we requested. We're simply going to copy this, and you can simply just insert this in your text box. You can also ask it to clean up or even refine this later on, which is going to be super easy for you. This is really reliable because it feels more natural and works well for fast thinkers. And just like that, it refined our entire text with key points, with headings, and a description. It made our notes clean even though the note was really messy, and this is one of its key features, that you can just write your notes as they come to you and the system automatically connects related ideas in the background and makes your entire note just clean like this. If you are familiar with Obsidian and you want to connect AI plugins, you can simply just go into settings and add AI plugins right here. You can click on core or community plugins and you can simply just add AI plugins. So you get AI generated suggestions in this Note app. If you like structure and flexibility, Notion is a great choice. If you want something simpler and familiar, close to Obsidian, then Reflect is another great option. And if you hate organizing, Mem keeps things effortless and clean. If you prefer offline notes and keep thinking, Obsidian is ideal and perfect for your use. There is no single best tool, it's about what fits how you think. To wrap it up, AI note-taking tools aren't just about living and saving notes. They're about making ideas clearer and easier to use. Once you find the right tool, note-taking stops feeling like work and starts feeling natural. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions or queries, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.